Did you know that traders on Olymp Trade are seeing payouts of up to 92% when they use the right strategies? And here's the crazy part. The platform's own data shows payouts are growing at 10% per month in 2025, which means more traders are finding success than ever before. But here's the problem. Most beginners jump into trading without understanding the 5 core strategies that actually work. They're trading blind, hoping for luck instead of using proven methods. I'm about to change that for you. In the next 7 minutes, you'll discover the exact 5 strategies that successful Olymp Trade users are implementing right now. And I'm going to break them down so simply that even if you've never placed a trade before, you'll walk away confident and ready to start. But first, let me share something with you. I've been analyzing trading platforms for years. And what I've noticed about Olymp Trade is fascinating. The platform now offers over 30 technical indicators and has this incredible demo account feature that lets you practice with zero risk. I've watched countless beginners transform their trading just by mastering these 5 fundamental strategies. And here's what's really exciting. With Olymp Trade's updated interface, you can now access everything from 5-second trades to monthly positions, giving you flexibility that most platforms don't offer. By the end of this video, you'll know the RSI strategy that helps you spot when an asset is oversold or overbought, how to use moving averages to ride trends like a pro trader, the MACD crossover technique for perfect entry and exit points, why the Bollinger Bands Squeeze strategy is a game changer this year, and the simple candlestick pattern strategy that beginners love. Plus, I'll walk you through a realistic example trade so you can see exactly how these work in practice. Let's start with the RSI. That's the Relative Strength Index. This indicator is built right into Olymp Trade's platform, and it's your best friend for spotting reversals. Here's how it works. RSI measures if an asset is overbought or oversold on a scale of 0 to 100. When RSI goes above 70, the asset might be overbought and due for a price drop. When it dips below 30, it might be oversold and ready to bounce back up. Hypothetical example. Let's say you're looking at EUR/USD on a 5-minute chart. The RSI hits 75. That's overbought territory. You wait for it to start dropping back down, and when it crosses below 70, that could be your signal to place a down trade. Simple, right? The key is patience. Don't jump the gun. Wait for confirmation. Next, strategy number 2. Moving average trend following. Moving averages are like the GPS of trading. They show you which direction the market is heading. Olymp Trade gives you access to simple moving averages, and here's the beautiful part. When price is above the moving average, the trend is up. When it's below, the trend is down. For beginners, I recommend using the 20-period moving average on a 1-minute chart for fixed time trades. Hypothetical example. You're watching Bitcoin and the price has been consistently above the 20-period moving average for the past hour. The trend is clearly bullish. When you see price dip down to touch the moving average and then bounce back up, that's your entry signal for an up trade. This strategy works because you're trading with the trend, not against it. Strategy M3, MACD crossover magic. MACD, that's moving average, convergence, divergence. Sounds complicated, but it's actually super simple. Think of it as 2 lines that dance around each other, and when they cross, magic happens. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, that's often a buy signal. When it crosses below, that's potentially a sell signal. The beauty of MACD is it helps you catch trends early. Next strategy is Bollinger Bands Squeeze. Here's where it gets really interesting. Bollinger Bands show you when the market is quiet versus when it's about to explode with movement. When the bands squeeze together, it means low volatility, but that usually comes before high volatility. Look for the squeeze, when the bands get really tight around the price. This is the market holding its breath before a big move. This strategy is powerful because you're positioning yourself right before major price movements. Last, but definitely not least, candlestick patterns. These are like the market's body language, telling you what buyers and sellers are really thinking. The hammer pattern at the bottom of a downtrend often signals a reversal up. The shooting star at the top of an uptrend can signal a reversal down. Hypothetical example. Euro USD has been falling for an hour. Suddenly you see a hammer candlestick form right at a key support level. This hammer has a small body and a long lower wick, showing buyers stepped in to push price back up. This could be your signal for an up trade, expecting the downtrend to reverse. The power of candlesticks is they give you real-time insight into market psychology. Now here's the secret sauce. You don't use these strategies in isolation. The best traders combine them. Complete hypothetical trade. Example. You're looking at USD JPY on Olymp Trade's platform. Here's what you see. 1. RSI is at 35, oversold territory. 2. Price just bounced off the 20-period moving average. 3. MACD is showing signs of a bullish crossover. 4. You spot a hammer candlestick forming 5. All this is happening at a key support level. This confluence of signals suggests a strong up trade opportunity. You place a 5-minute fixed time trade with a $10 investment. If successful with an 85% payout, you'd receive $1,850 back. That's $850 profit. Remember, this is a hypothetical example to illustrate how strategies work together. Real trading involves risk. So there you have it. 5 powerful Olymp trade strategies: RSI reversals, moving average trends, MACD crossovers, Bollinger Bands Squeezers, and Candlestick Patterns. But here's your key takeaway. Successful trading isn't about finding the perfect strategy. It's about combining multiple signals and managing your risk. Start with Olymp Trade's demo account to practice these strategies risk-free. Master one at a time, then start combining them. With the platform's 30+ technical indicators and improved features, you have everything you need to succeed. The traders making consistent profits aren't smarter than you, they're just more disciplined and strategic. If this video helped clarify trading strategies for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading content. Drop a comment below telling me which strategy you're most excited to try first. And hey, if you want to start practicing these strategies, I've got an Olymp Trade link in the description. Full disclosure, I may earn a small commission if you sign up through my link, but it doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps support this channel so I can keep bringing you valuable trading content. Remember, always start with the demo account, never trade money you can't afford to lose, and keep learning. I'll see you in the next video.